Good morning, everybody, and guess what I got for my birthday? Well, you probably shouldn't do that, but I got the sun. The sun came out, even though it's Friday the 15th here, the sun has come out, the wind has died down. Not sure that you can see that. Let me do that. That doesn't work either. All right, so the iPhone sucks, which is why we should probably all go get the iPhone 10 or 15 or whichever one came out yesterday. Last night, we had a thunderstorm. It was probably the loudest thunderstorm I've ever heard in my life. No damage and everything's cool. Oh, by the way, something weird, in case those of you in the States don't know anything about Okinawa, which why would you, right? So if you look behind me, it kind of looks like I'm at a graveyard, see? These are tombs. Tombs, yeah. So like, there's tombs everywhere. I could be driving down the road and just random tomb. Here's a field where they make sweet potato desserts, and then over here, random tomb. Smoke and I are doing well, the family's doing well. Thank you for all your birthday wishes. It looks like Typhoon Talim has taken a hike, gotten out of here, is heading for mainland Japan. Sorry guys, but better you than me. Things are gonna get back to normal today. Sunshine in the forecast, maybe a few thunderstorms, but all in all, we suffered a broken front door in the common area of our apartment building. It's about 6:45 a.m. 6:45 a.m. That doesn't even make sense. And now I'm gonna head off to bring little buddy to kindergarten. Hopefully Smokey takes a dump and we're on our way. Another beautiful day in Okinawa. Everybody's safe. Remember, if you like what you see, share my video, like it, big thumbs up. Also, if you know anybody in the military or anyone who has served in the military, give them a hug, because it ain't easy. See you next video. Also, just an alert, found out about 20 minutes ago that North Korea fired a missile over Japan, but it didn't hit us. It didn't go over our airspace. It's northern Japan mainland. We're about a 3.5-hour flight south of mainland Japan. So everybody's pretty worried around here. A lot of saber rattling, but hopefully cooler heads prevail and it won't be a big deal. However, there is a slight sense of worriedness that I sense from people that I spoke to this morning. Other than that, just follow the news and we'll see what happens.